Dan here from Sherp PT. Today we are at McMiller Sports Center located in Eagle, Wisconsin. They're having an open house today, $40, and you can shoot every course that they have, which is just insane. So you can shoot anywhere from 25 yards to, I think it's up to 300. Also have 5-stand, they have trap, they have sporting clays. Lots to do. There's going to be a lot of different vendors here. We are here fairly early right now, just getting everything set up, expecting a lot of people. We will see how many folks actually show up. So this whole thing started by us being out on a motorcycle ride, and we just stumbled across this place. Haven't been here for a long time, and I was just fascinated, impressed by the professionalism and the whole layout of the whole facility. And then I found out they had an open house, so I basically said, hey, if you'd like, if there's something I could do to try to help out make this thing successful, I'd be happy to. And they said sure, so I was giving people rides to a couple of different parking areas, and then I went through a little course, and approximately, I don't know, I gave probably 20 different rides to people out there, so I bet you I had darn near 100 people in the Sherp seeing the capabilities. The morning started off very foggy, but it definitely improved throughout the day. First task for the old Sherp is to bring vendors down to this area to get set up. So I got to drive, I'd say, I don't know, maybe a quarter, half mile and give people rides back here because this is going to be planned to be filled with folks. And we want to make sure that the vendors can get here very easy. So where we're at right now is a warming shelter that we use for cross-country skiing. This is a state-run facility, probably kind of cool. So what I'm going to do is just give some vendors a ride back down to the area where we're going to be presenting. First guys, ready? Up. Might want to hold on. Yeah. Okay, this is, hold on now, this is real. You all right?
Have a good day, guys.
You too, thank you.
Yeah.
You okay? Yep. It's easier when there's more people back there. You have everybody you're squishing against. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit here. Oh yeah. Just see what it does. You okay?
I'm good.
Hold on again. Ready?
Yep.
Pretty wild, huh? Oh yeah.
I drive up front, and they're like, yeah, really gotta park in the back. I'm like, is there a shuttle? Yeah, there's a shuttle. You pull up, I'm like, oh, okay.
So do you feel adventurous right now? We have a little time. I haven't got to go over this yet. Okay, so he's okay? And you are too, right? You're both. I'm gonna do something now. Okay. Okay, now hold on, hold on. That might be too much. Okay, you guys all right? Yeah. I haven't got to do this yet. What happened?
We need 6 legs.
Is it?
here.
Oh, just a little. Oh no. Oh, what?
Okay. You ready?
No. You're not even like here. Oh. My arm hurts. I'm sorry. I think that's the wrong person to have. I'm sorry. I didn't get you.
Hold on.
Have you ever tipped it before?
No.
Oh, okay. Then I like.
We don't like tipping it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold on.
Ever heard of a Sherp before? Nope. This is your first time?
Yep.
Are you scared?
No.
We're going to go over some big hills.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And why are you guys here today?
My daughter won a contest for the Wild Race Youth Hunt, so we are here to do some shooting with them.
Oh, that's super cool.
Yes.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay, hold on now. That wheel's off the ground. What? You okay?
We're good.
Sorry, I didn't know it was going to be that direct. That wheel's off the ground.
Whoa!
You okay?
We're good.
How was your ride?
Really fun.
Did you like it? Well, have fun today, and congratulations on your win. That's awesome.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, hold on now. That wheel's off the ground right. Hold on. You okay? Is that fun?
It's very scary. Felt like I was gonna go flying out the car.
That was scary?
Yes.
Have to throw out a quick apology. I made a number of errors when I was videotaping this event. I was turning the camera on when I thought it was off, and then I turned it off when I thought it was on. But I wanted to quickly just say special thanks to these couple of gentlemen that were in here. They were from the United States Marine Corps, and they were doing a little bit of recruiting during the event. And unfortunately, I did not capture what I was hoping to. So, thanks to those guys, and I apologize to everybody for the mistake.
Okay, so yeah, hell yeah. That sounds awesome. Other than that, you can just push this open if I die, and then right here is how you pull this. All right. Okay? All right.
I don't know what to expect out of this.
Hold on.
How was your ride?
Oh, it was ridiculous. I've never seen anything like it. I've been around a lot of equipment, heavy equipment.
Cool. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, awesome.
How was your ride?
It's awesome. I've never had anything like it.
Were you scared at one point?
A little bit slipping down some of the mulch. Man. It was, you didn't know what was gonna happen.
Felt like we were gonna roll.
Yeah,
You know, I'm used to like side by sides and four wheelers. It felt like we were gonna roll.
yeah,
So
Right. Cool. Glad you had a good time.
yeah, thanks very much.
You bet.
Yeah, never seen anything like it. on, really, hold on. I gotta hold on.
That was awesome. Thanks for the ride. That was so awesome. We just go over the big stumps and stuff. That was crazy. Do it if you get a chance.
Let's go this way. How's that?
Oh my god.
Okay, we gotta hold on now. Remember your feet. Got your feet?
Oh man.
Hold on now. Okay, remember your feet. Hold on tight. That's it. What'd you think? This is the only part that's scares me.
Yeah, no mirrors.
Yeah, and I don't want to. And I can't have mirrors on this because if I do, it's gonna bust it off.
Yeah.
So remember your feet and your hands.
Yeah.
So for you, you should be holding your. Yeah.
Shut the front door.
You will use it.
Copy. You got it down. Oh, I got fellas.
Yeah, go for Steve.
All right, now you got to go twice as fast with her.
Could you put this on that table for me, please?
So other than me making some minor mistakes when I was video recording, starting it when I shouldn't have started it, stopping it when I should have started it, all was well. Also, I deleted some footage that I didn't mean to delete, but live and learn. It was an absolute blast at this event. I strongly encourage you to go there. I believe they're going to do another open house next year. One thing I didn't mention, they also have an absolutely fantastic archery range. Lots of different yardages to shoot at and lots of different targets.
Is it paddles?
It's a paddle boat. See the paddles?
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. How fast does it go?
In the water?
Either.
Water goes about 3.5,
Yeah.
almost 4, and on land it goes about 28.
Oh, really? It does go pretty fast.
Dive bomb it.
Like this, you know.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you subscribing. Please click that like button. Throw a comment out there. Anything's appreciated. Have a great day and take care.